G'day, it's Sam Baines from Ardento here. We're recording a short video to go through some of the features of the MYOB Advanced mobile application, specifically around the field service functionality and looking at how field service technicians can manage their appointments from their mobile app and get the data they need, record their job and work as they complete it, so the process can be managed right from their mobile phone. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy phone here. You can download the app from the Play Store. It's also available on iOS as well. So I'm going to go ahead and open the MYOB Advanced app. I've already signed in once before and set up my biometrics, so I just need to use my fingerprint to log in. Once logged in, I'm presented with a lot of different icons dependent on the security that I have within the MYOB Advanced system, but you can access things like payroll, self-service portal, opportunities, contacts, etc. So all the different functions, many are available within the app as well as the desktop browser version. But the thing I'm going to be focused on today is the appointments list, which relates to the field service appointments. I'm going to click and open my appointments list. When presented with the appointments list, I can see appointments that are assigned to me. I can click the little filter option at the top here. We can see it's filtered by the month of February, and just for me, Donald Trump, the staff member in this instance, I can obviously change this, view other appointments if I've got permissions to do so. I can see I've got a couple of appointments under my name. Both the bottom two are already completed. Now the top one, number 71-1, is not yet started. So I'm going to open up that appointment. I can see some basic information around the estimated duration of the job, which is specified by the details. Now, this is already set up in the MYOB Advanced system. This might be done by a dispatcher or a field technician manager who will be building out the appointments either from service contracts or from an emergency appointment, which is just created on the fly. I can see it's built up of a service line, which is a call-out fee, and then a repair line, which is the actual repair services. And these would have an estimated duration and an estimated cost as well. So we can see that at the top. In the summary, we've got some details, the customer, etc., the description of the job. I can actually open a map here. So it will load Google Maps, show me the location of the customer as per that. So I've got a few nifty options here available to us. So I'm going to go back to the mobile app now. Most of the functionality is going to be visible underneath the More button at the top. So we can start our travel if we want to, or we can start our appointment. So in this instance, I'm just going to go right ahead and start the appointment. So now the status of the appointment is in progress, and I can go through now and go into each of my service items and start to manage the information that I'm working on. So I'm going to start with the call-out fee. So look, it can be as simple as just changing the description or making an update, but in this instance, I'm just going to try and change the status of this particular call-out line, and I'm going to say that that is completed. So that means we've completed the actual quantity. I can change this here, so I've got an estimated quantity of 1 and an actual quantity of 1, which I'll leave for the purpose of the call-out. And now I'm going to go back to my details section, and perhaps now I'm actually starting the main part of my call-out, which is the repair work. And again, I'm going to mark this one as completed because I've already done the work, the appointment. So now I've got my actual appointment items listed, and the job is complete. So there's a couple of options here. I can obviously save this and update that so that now it's logged and completed in the system. I can now come under here. And I can look at a couple of things, like I can preview the report, which is essentially what the customer is going to see. So we'll click on that. This can be a customized form that will load a PDF document with the items there, within there, the line items. Obviously, this can be customized to what you need. So we're going to go back. And then from here, I might want to ask the customer to sign on the job to say it's completed, so I can click the sign report. And it's just a typical sign-off process as you would normally expect. My handwriting leaves something to be desired there. And obviously once I've done with this, then that's going to upload the signature to the appointment. That's available there. And I can now complete the appointment. And now my appointment is completed, and I can go back to my appointment list and see that this one is done. So if I could go back into my appointment list if I need to, and you can see now that we've got an attachment uploaded, so I can view this as necessary, see the particular signature, or I can actually go and have a look at the report if I need to. which will have the signature loaded on it as well. And we can see that there down in the bottom right. That is the basics of running through appointments in there. Obviously, there's a lot more to the functions, but hopefully that gives you some idea about what is capable through the mobile application for MYOB Advanced and Field Service. Thanks for watching.